Right, welcome to my how-to guide on how to fill the rinse aid reservoir and adjust the rinse aid setting on your dishwasher appropriately to use the right amount of rinse aid. So we'll first, if we turn on the machine, there's no rinse aid icon flashing, but if we select Intensive Smart, or you need to select the third program to your left from the display. On this case it is Intensive Smart. You need to press the Intensive Smart, hold, and then hit start. And then you want to hit Intensive Smart again and again until R00, but it will come up on yours as R05. You can use the quick button or B to go downwards, or use pre-rinse to go upwards. Select the appropriate amount. Right. The higher the number, the more rinse aid is used. Generally, as a rule, every single one, that means 1 milliliter of rinse aid per cycle. That means if you put 100 milliliters in and you select 5, after 20 cycles it would have ran out. If you're using all-in-one tablets, even if you're in a soft water area, I do recommend even just putting just one on. It does help, but generally if you still got water left, taking this pan, you need to add rinse aid. Now this machine's been running without rinse aid or salt, so today it's going to have these additions put on. That's with just the all-in-one finished tablets. The finished tablets do a good job at cleaning and do a relatively good job at drying without the rinse aid, but with rinse aid I noticed there's a whole lot of difference. I had a free bottle that came with it and stuck that in, and for those cycles that it used, it was great. It had perfect drying results apart from on plastics, which the extra dry button is there for. So we'll just select R1 and then we'll anyway, we'll put some rinse aid in. So it's inside the door at the top. You need to push this little flap and lift, push and lift. So you want to put your fingers there and there like that. Thumb there, finger there. Inside we've got a little max icon here. You don't really want to go beyond here. Don't worry too much if you do, it just means that on the next wash cycle it would end up adding just slightly more than you'd want. So there we are, we're now at the maximum. It's only took a little bit of the bottle. To recap and to set, we'll select Intensive Smart Program, then push and hold the Intensive Smart Program, or program, it's the third button along, press start, then hit the Intensive Smart again and again until R comes up. Then you want to hit R1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll select R1 for now. This is how you should use it. We'll hit start to save. And as we notice, the time's actually just dropped all of a sudden by 5 minutes. When the machine runs out of rinse aid, or you select no rinse aid, it will automatically add on 5 minutes, or 5 to 10 minutes I've noticed. Yeah, 5 minutes. Except for the eco cycle. You can do it with the eco cycle or the quick cycle. but the auto, normal, intense and smart cycles, it added 5 minutes to the dry and stop phase. So there you are, that's how to fill up the rinse aid reservoir and adjust the rinse aid setting on a Siemens dishwasher. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to do yours at home.